is a severe thunderstorm warning for Ashtabula County, Cuyahoga County, Cayuga County, Portage County, Summit County, and Trumbull County, effective until 11:28 a.m.
It didn't get bigger, but we remodeled. We sure tried to squeeze a lot of things in here for sure. So
I like the rubber chicken. What are some of your other favorite things?
this is our office possum. You can put him on a trash can and scare the cleaning people to death if you want.
Oh no, I don't know if I want to do that or not. That's pretty good.
We have little racing possums.
Oh, I like that. That's pretty good.
Yeah.
Hey, and I see